I want to show you how to create a lightsaber effect in Premiere Pro. I have a video here of someone wielding a sword, but I want to turn it into a lightsaber. Go over to the project panel and right-click. Select New Item and then Color Map. And we want ours to be black. And then drag it above our video clip and match its duration. Go to Effects and type in Lightning and add it to our color matte layer. Now go over to Effects Controls and under Opacity, change the blend mode to Screen and the opacity to 50%. This is so we can see our background layer as we make our adjustments. Under Lightning, starting from Segment all the way to Stability, change the value of each to 0 and change the width to around 75. Go back over to Effects and find Transform and add it to our color matte layer. And then go and click on Transform and you'll see a little blue circle appear in the center of the screen. Click and drag this to the right until the start of your lightsaber is in the other blue circle, like this. Under Transform, click the stopwatch icon for position and rotation, and from the start of your clip, drag the anchor point of our lightsaber to the base of the handle, and then adjust the rotation and position so it lines up with the actual weapon. Don't worry if your lightsaber goes beyond the actual weapon length, as we will fix this later. Now move ahead a few frames until the position of your weapon changes, and then adjust our lightsaber effect so it overlays perfectly with the real weapon. Continue moving ahead frames and adjusting the lightsaber each time until you've completed your clip. Now go back to the start of the clip and go over and click the stopwatch icon under Start Point and End Point. Like before, move ahead one frame at a time, adjusting your points so the length of your lightsaber matches the length of the actual weapon in each frame. Continue doing this until you've reached the end of your video. Now change the opacity back to 100% and boom, your very own lightsaber.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.